Look at this spread.
Look at this breakfast. Absolutely lovely.
Well, good morning peeps from Twice Brewed. It's absolutely stunning here, and if you're going to do HADRIAN'S Wall, I would highly recommend staying here. The service is top notch, the food is just the best, and the rooms are nice and comfortable with nice thick duvets, although it was a bit hot last night. And they do stargazing here as well, so yeah, certainly check it out. If Twice Brewed is too expensive for you, then there's a YHA just across the street. That's the only two places that are here in the middle of nowhere. So today is day 3, and we're about to do, in my opinion, is like the best day on the trail. So we're starting from Chollerford and we're walking here, so we've got no time constraints today. We've got the famous Sycamore Gap, which I can't wait to show everybody. We've got lots of PUDS, which are pointless ups and downs. And we've got Housteads Park, or Housteads Roman Fort as well. And there's something special. Well, I'm not going to spoil it for you, but there's something special today that I want to show you that no one's ever seen before when I've done any of these trails. So yeah, it's going to be a good one. The weather forecast is a little bit iffy at the moment, but apparently it's meant to come out nice today. Nice, perfect walking weather. It's going to be about 17-18 degrees. So not too hot, not too cold, and no rain forecast, which is what we want. Right, so join with us today for day 3.
Oh, thank you.
What day is it? Day 3! You excited?
Yay!
Enthusiastic. So you've just seen we've done day 3. We've got 2 missing because they're dedicated and they're going back to where they got dropped off or picked up last night. So good luck to Gwyne Holly. You got this, guys. We'll see you at the end. So Alan's just doing a first stamp of the day. Done? Brilliant. Ah, she's doing lens as well. That's love, isn't it? Yeah. Stamping your husband's passport.
Next.
Apparently this used to just be stables, but it's accommodation now. Damn posh stables. So quick check-in, we're about 3 miles into today's hike and I'm smack bang in the middle. So we've got a faster group at front, but they're not that fast ahead of everybody, and I've got another 5 or 6 behind me. So yeah, it's looking good so far. I'm gonna get some awesome views today. Can't wait to show you guys. Top of the world. This is the highest point on HADRIAN'S Wall. So this is a bit of an oasis. This guy's name is Jimmy. He's full of personality, from Scotland. Alison was really happy about coffee. Everyone else just went.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so.
Excuse me being out of breath. We've literally just come down from there. Walked all the way along that ridge and through that forest over there as well. and we're still not quite at the top.
Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one that showed me now.
Yeah, wake me up when it's dinner time.
Right, just checking in. So we're about just gone 10 miles in. We stopped for a break and some lunch, a bit of a late lunch, about 2 o'clock at Housteads or Housteads, not sure how you pronounce that one. They've changed the loos there. We've now got smeggy portaloos, which wasn't that nice. But anyway, we had a nice break. I've got 4 in front of me who've continued on, the rest are all behind. So we've got lots of PUDS now. It's going to get really steep, so I'll see if I can show you that, but it's a bit windy as well, so bear with me.
Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy.